Restream tutorial, how to use Restream for beginners. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how we can use Restream whether you are beginner or pro. So let's get started. This guide will help you to find out everything about Stream. So head over to stream.io, restream.io, then you can sign up for free. Also you can continue with Google if you wish to. There we go. You have to log in first. So after logging in, so wait until the login is completed. So log into Restream, and there we go. You can check out their monthly billings and yearly billings. This one is the annual billings, and you will get it for 2 months for free. Like you can get extra 2 months. You can check out their offers, standard, professional, business, and enterprise. You can check out all of their pricings right from here. You can check out their monthly billings. Like monthly billing is little bit costly than annual. But now let's skip this part, and there we go. This is our Restream dashboard. Now here you can see this. You can create a new Restream right from here. Also you can check out these Restreams, like you can connect it with OBS, Zoom, or vMix if you want, or any other RTPM recorder if you wish to. You can add channels right here. This is pretty much like OBS. Let me show you. You can see there are also sources and scenes available, and there is, oh, there we go. You can also stream with OBS and the Restream also. So we are gonna go with let's go with YouTube. Now you can connect it with YouTube very easily. You have to enter your details of YouTube, and then you can connect it and start streaming with Restream very easily. So now let's get back and let's tap onto new channel. By clicking onto new stream, you can create your own new stream. From here you can choose your Restream studio, like where you want to create your new Restream. uh, you can choose encoder, RTMP, or any other this ones like video or playlist, or record audio or video. You can choose Restream studio if you wish to. So choose the preferred one that you prefer the most. For me, I'm gonna tap onto Restream Studio. So after clicking onto Restream Studio, you can get everything together. So wait until the page loads completely, and then I will show you the next steps. So as you can see right now, I don't have access to my webcam. In fact, it is not connected to my desktop right now. So there we go. You can see I cannot access my mic. I mean cam, but I can access my microphone. So let's allow it. Now you can enter your name. As you can see, it's saying unable to access the camera. Now you can choose your microphone, like which one you wish to continue with, and your webcam if connected, you can choose that. And from the settings option, you can use virtual background, you can use shortcuts, you can customize your audio, and many more. You can also embed stream, you can connect link with it. So right now let's tap on to enter studio mode without camera. So there we go, we are entering the studio mode. So after clicking on to studio mode, as you can see, Restream is streaming my audio, but as I don't have a webcam right now, it is not showing my face. At the top right corner, you can create more channels if you wish to. Here we go. You can add channels like Facebook channel, YouTube channel, Twitch or Twitter account. You can use peer channel, but for this one you must have to upgrade your Restream to premium version. But for now we're gonna skip this side, and let me show you. Here you can see this at the top right corner, record option. You can just on it, and you can record your stream, like your video audio, with cloud very easily. And here you can see this option like my assets. This is basically the folder where you keep your folders, like file section. You can create new asset, you can create your asset name, like you can rename it, you can create a folder. Just it fully depends on your preference, that how you wish to customize it. Now let me show you how you can design on Restream. Here you can see this design option. You simply tap onto design. From there you can choose your design. You can change your design if you wish to. So there we go. You can change your text if you want. For example, this one, you can change your background. So that's pretty much it. Now from here you can upload your logo, but for the this one you can see that you have to upgrade your Restream version. You can add people by tapping onto this icon at the top right corner. You can see this icon here. You can copy the invite link and you can uh, share it to your friends or guests. And as you can see, you can invite up to 6 guests only on the free version, but on the pro version you can upgrade for more. Like here you can see upgrade for more. That means you can upgrade more people on it. You can add QR codes right here. You can add QR codes if you wish to. You have to enter the link. You have to enter primary text and secondary text. So for now, let me go to any random site, for example Canva. Okay, let's go to this site and copy this and then add it to here. Then let's add primary text. You have to enter your secondary text if you want, and then you can upload image if you wish to. So let me download an image of Canva from here. So let's download an image. So after downloading it, you can just go and browse it. So here we go. Let's open it and create our own QR code. Wait until it loads completely, and there we go. Our QR code has been added. Here you can see this one. You can edit it more if you wish to. So for now, let's save it. And whenever someone comes to your stream and click on this link, they will be redirected to this site. As I just showed you, they will be redirected to here. So now let's cut these sites, and here you can see you can check out these classic sets and compacts, but for now cut them. Here you can check out your captions, you can check out and edit them, like welcome to my channel, Q&A, like all of these things. You can just add more text if you wish to. You can add sticker, you can add, and you can add your texture. Okay, and from on the music option you can enter music. From here just tap onto the one and you will be able to generate music on your stream. Okay, and this there you can see this chill one. This needs to be upgraded, and there are a few more, like a lot of more ones where you need to upgrade to use them. But on down tempo chill hub, these ones are free, so you can just use them. Okay, now on the this one, like note area, you can create your very own nodes. Like you can enter your nodes and that's it. You can just enter nodes easily. So that's pretty much it about Restream. You can just edit all of this previously, and then you can just simply go live. But before that, let me show you how you can schedule your streaming, like when you will be shown to stream. You can add your title, description. Now from here you can choose your time and date, that when do you want to go live. And from thumbnail option you can upload your thumbnail, for example like the thumbnail of YouTube, and then you can tap next. You can crop it and just simply tap next, and then you can connect it with your scheduled one. You can connect your channels, like I think I showed you earlier. You can connect your channel from here, and you can also use these paired channels. Now lastly, simply tap onto go live, and after clicking onto go live you can go live using this one. Okay, so tap onto yes, go live, and there we go. You can go live. But before that, make sure to connect it with any channel. If you want to go live stream on YouTube or Facebook, just make sure to connect it. Okay, so to end your stream, just tap onto end stream, and then your stream will be finished. So that was pretty much it. This is how you can use Restream.io very easily. So now let's skip this part, and you can go back to your home screen. Also you can add scenes if you wish to. You can use camera or media or countdown to add scenes. So now let's go back, And that was all about Restream.io. And if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye. See you on to another video. Till then, take care, bye bye.